guys, today I have a new wireless USB Wi-Fi adapter designed to upgrade your Wi-Fi speed to 1200 Mbps. It's a dual band 2.4 GHz and 5.8 GHz network adapter, which can be used on Windows, Mac, and Linux. This USB adapter is from WSKY. It enhances your Wi-Fi speed to 1200 Mbps on 5.8 GHz or 2.5 GHz bands. I got two of these, one for me and one to give as a gift, so I've already been using mine, as you can see right here. You do need a driver to make this work. You can use the CD, which is included in the package you have here. I'll show you. You can use this, or like many devices now that don't have a CD reader, you can download it to the driver, which that's what I did. Check the description section below to see what versions of software this is compatible with, just so you know before you buy it. I have the driver installed on two laptops I use, and it's been helping me boost the signal. Like, I've never imagined something that would help this much. I can get to the internet faster, things load quickly, it is so handy. And I live in a dorm, and when I'm not at home during breaks, the Wi-Fi reception at college is terrible. So I'm so excited about trying this when I get back to school. That's what I'm really looking forward to. So here's a closer look at the adapter. To install this, it is very simple. All you have to do is take the USB and screw it right in, and right there you have it. It works straight away. All you have to do is download things, and like I said, make sure you check the description below to find what fits your processing and type of computer you have. The back also has a few specifications if you want to look into that as well. I'm really looking forward to use this for better internet searches and faster streaming without all the lags. So guys, this is the WSKY 1200 Mbps USB adapter. Please check the description below for more information on this product and make sure you get the right one for your device. Please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and leave your comments. Thanks for watching.